right, people. This is the Apple update. I got a lot of important things to say. Apple did not confirm today, and I did post this on the stream uh, according to my way, the way, because I'm looking for directional moves. Like if you want to see something that did very well, that was TSLA, good 150% gains in the first half an hour of trading. All right, now, but I will show you that later, people. Well, let's talk about this Apple plan. So Apple is still set up to test 122 to 125, but confirmation is still key, right? Because this could just chop around and do nothing, right? And you know what? I'm going to show you the price of the options just to prove my point. I want to educate here, people. Okay, I want to educate why I'm the way I am with confirmation. Okay, so one could still use the January 20th 120 calls. It could also use other ones, but I'll discuss that later. I'll be explaining the facts about the options, so pay attention to the February 11th SPY reversal expert. That's true, people, and I'm gonna show you what to do. If you want to find out, what I said on February 11th. Okay, people were very bearish February 11th, and I made a plan to make 300% on options. So you want to listen to someone who knows what the hell they're talking about when it comes to option timing. Okay. Because you're talking to the top 1% in the world could do what I did. All right, that's how I feel, and that's what I'm going to say. Until anyone can prove me otherwise. Anyways, let's go on here. Apple needs to break above 117.90. That's some good action volume. Good action volume is 5 million on a 10-minute chart. If the volume is less than that, same thing, people. The problem is this: we should get volume as we break 117.90, right? We didn't even close today above the 117.40 pivot. Okay, so why do I not want to get into this? Because lo and behold, Apple could just chop around, and we can get better prices and options. Why do you want to get into here and make no money, right? In options, right? I'd rather go into stocks that want to move, like TSLA today did. All right? So you can go check out that video. Right? The information of power and pressure and what I say and the truth is at your fingertips if you want to see the truth. If you want to be blind and listen to people who don't know what they're talking about, that's up to you. But I'm posting the power and the truth because I think most people are sleeping at the wheel. All right, people. Let's go take a look at February. Let's go look at the options. I want to make some points. Okay, I make plans unlike other people out there. Okay, people. So here's the Apple. Closed at 117.26 here, December 27th. And we're going to go take a look at the January 20th calls because these are still perfect to use, right? Again, when we don't enter them, they haven't done much, right? I'm going to show you this, right? Now, they haven't made any money, these calls. Yeah, people going in and out for quick, but I'm in for the directional move. That's my style. So anyways, as you can see, people, the options are still under $1, right? I've been talking about these 120 calls. They're actually less. It says it's up 29%. I don't know how I got this thing. There's still a lot of things, but you know what? The options are under $1 still, right? And then the 118s could be used as well. And right now you can see the 118s are around about $1.60, we'll say, $1.50, we'll say, $1.57. Okay, we'll use the closing price. So these could be used. They're trading very well. A lot, they're doing pretty good. Of course, the 120s are trading amazingly well. Look at that 1 cent spread. Look at this, 1 cent. Right? Look at the amount, right? Lots of action happening here today. 21,000 contracts. Lots of trading. So these are really good to use and still can make money if, of course, this can confirm. Look at this could confirm. I want to make a point here, people. Apple could confirm, for all you know, in another week or so, and the options will cost like a little over $1, and you can make still the money in options without being in the stock by waiting for confirmation. So I'm not in no rush to get into Apple. I only want to get in if we see the power and the pressure. If not, I'm not getting in. Right? And I said this, that I will say a buy point, and I did that on my stream. And let's go take a look what I said on my stream, people. Let's go take a look at my stream here. So power trick or trade here. Let's go up. Let's scroll up here. And I said, what did I say here? Okay, here it is. So at 10:03 a.m., I said, people, I am looking for power move break over 118. Apple is basing above the key pivot. I mentioned the plan. So what I was saying is that I was going to look to go long the the calls that I mentioned in my plan on a break over 118. Wow, of course we didn't do that and we faded. They made it look good, but it didn't work, right? Now, I made a Tesla plan, which you can see over here. Okay, you can see this plan here. I posted this December the 26th. Let's scroll down. And, for you Apple longs, if you want to see the power of what the hell I do, you should see this video, right? At the same time, people, if we go to my my YouTube channel, you want to subscribe. See, this is Sandro Power Target Trades. You're going to see a circle. Click on that to subscribe. Do yourself a favor, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and study my videos. Now, I want to show you something really important. I have a website. If you click this link here, Power Target Trades, what it'll do is bring you to this website over here. Here it is, Power Target Trades. Isn't that nice with the animation over there? But the key is the superstar video here. Is Google 300% gains. This is my last plans I made about last week or so. And Google made 300% gains in 3 days. This is all documenting, showing you what the options are cost, and from the trigger point, what they would cost, and then the exiting point. And I documented this for both Google and Apple. I made a very powerful video. You can get the scoop here on my stream, powertargettrades.com, through the YouTube channel, the link. At the same time, you want to see this video about 300% gains were made in a SPY while 95% were bearish back February 11. If you want to see the truth, if you want to see the power, if you want to see expert analysis, I documented this stuff painfully to show people what I'm about. It's like an open book to profits to those who want it, because that's what I want my followers to do. Followers, I want them to make money, right? And join the winning group. But you gotta do the study. You gotta understand my plans, okay? So let's go back here to Apple here, people. So like I said, if we don't get the power, this is gonna have to base above 1790. Okay, here back to Apple here. If we don't break 1790, it's got a base above 1790, and we're gonna look for power towards 1825, 118.25 to 118.50. Again, if I like Apple as a buy, I promised the Apple board to post that I like it as a buy, to get into it. I said I would do that, and as you can see, I did what I said. You know what? I did not buy into Apple today. I wanted to buy the power. It did not confirm. We did not get in, because I believe in the real move in Apple. When Apple wants to move, we're going to make the money when it wants to go to 120, 122 to 125. That's where the money is. But right now we are stuck in chop. That's all this has been doing here. Chop, down, up, down and up and down movement. See, up, down, right? It was up to down. We didn't go anywhere, right? There was a little move. There was a little bit to be made with options if you just jumped in blindly. Okay, but unlike my Tesla trade, there's no blindly. It made way more money than you would have made going along in Apple. And I'm still going to make money in Apple if Apple wants to confirm. If Apple doesn't want to confirm, because Apple right now is the leader, in my opinion, is that if Apple confirms, so will Google, so will Microsoft. But if Apple doesn't want to confirm, nothing's going to confirm. The Nasdaq pulled back. Everything pulled back in the technology. And Tesla has been the best since even last week. The thing is that all my plans in Tesla work. I didn't take it. I only took the third plan. Now I just made a fourth plan. I'll be posting it on Power Trick or Trade. Of course, you'll find it on my YouTube channel as well. So look out for the new plan for TSLA. So there you have it, people. A great update for Apple. An awakening call to those who are blind to the truth. I post all the videos for you to see the facts. If you take the time to look at my documented videos, you will learn the truth. Stop listening to the bullshit out there. There's so much garbage information posted on StockTwits and on Twitter compared to what I'm doing. And all these great picks, and a small selection of picks, and when they trigger, most of them make us money. Nothing's 100%. I wish there was such a thing. 100% correct? Possible. Because if I was 100% correct, I'd probably be, 100, you can become a multi-billionaire very quickly if you can be 100% correct. What we can do, though, is take calculated risk on trigger trades and build your account with smart trading and being right. If you're right, and being right more than we're wrong, we're always going to be ahead. And right now, I mean, lately we've been batting over 80 to 90% winning correct. I say by 80, 90% by being correct. My last Apple trade did very, very well, and since then I haven't been into Apple anymore because it hasn't been able to confirm my multiple plans that I've been posting. So, anyways, look for the subscribe button. Let's get back to the thing. Look for the subscribe button. Subscribe. Do yourself a favor. I'm going to be posting a lot of great plans. Watch my plans. Learn, grow. Watch, listen. Make comments, ask questions, smart questions, and you will make the money. Because that's what I want my followers to do. My subscribers, followers, to make money. So there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.